ready to transform your knowledge into a thriving online business. This video is your complete guide to creating and selling online courses to a global audience. So let's dive right in. First, identify a profitable course topic by researching your expertise and matching it with market demand. Use keyword tools to see what people are searching for and validate your idea by checking out similar courses. Next, structure your course content into engaging lessons. Use a mix of videos, text, and downloadable resources to cater to different learning styles. Then, choose the right platform to host and sell your course, from learning management systems and marketplaces to your own website. Consider factors like pricing, features, and target audience. Now, strategically price your course by analyzing competitor pricing, considering the value you offer, and using tiered options. Next, build a robust marketing plan to reach your target audience using social media, email marketing, and collaborations. Create compelling content and run targeted ads. Finally, provide excellent student support through Q&A sessions, forums, and personalized feedback. Positive reviews drive future growth. Follow these steps and you will be monetizing your knowledge and skills in no time. So get out there and start creating. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.